Hi, I'm Federico from PR Rubino, and today I want to talk to you about the belts for the sharking conveyors with synchronous tooth guides for the service robots in the robotic lines. The sharking products originate from the SHARKDRIVE family of synchronous belts and were created to industrialize and standardize the production process of said belts. The range of products for the sharking synchronous conveyors is comprised of 6 types of products with different covers. Like SHARKDRIVE products, they are produced in standard widths. From 150mm to 500mm, only one central guide is used. From 500mm to 1600mm, 2 lateral guides are used. The range consists of 6 types of belts, and so it will be possible to reduce production times through the scheduled planning of consignments, option to store semi-processed spindles in the warehouse upon specific request from the client. Drawback diameters can be reduced up to 13mm. Same flexibility values both for bending and back bending. Guaranteed conveying system without slippages thanks to the engagement of the teeth on one single tooth pulley. The range includes an opaque black coloured belt designed to be used in the presence of photocells for optical readers, also suitable for mounting in a twist 90 and 180 degree tilter belts. The sharking belts are mainly used for service robots, and more specifically when you wish to eliminate the use of an encoder. They are also used in industrial automation sectors where it is necessary to install a large quantity of belts with recurring standards in terms of length. For more information, please visit our website prrubino.it. Thank you and see you soon.